What if a UFO almost collided with a 737 at Manchester Airport? In this video, we explore this shocking near-miss incident. Stay tuned to find out more. Imagine, if you will, the bustling skies above Manchester Airport, a hub of activity where planes are constantly taking off and landing, planes soaring in and out, passengers eager to reach their destinations, each with their own stories and dreams. But on this fateful night, something strange and unexplainable happened, something that would leave a lasting impression on all who witnessed it. A commercial Boeing 737, cruising at a comfortable altitude, suddenly reported a near collision with an unidentified flying object, an event that would shake the aviation community. The pilots, seasoned and experienced, were left stunned and speechless, their training and expertise challenged by what they had just encountered. What they saw defied logic and understanding, a sight that would haunt them for days to come. Described as a glowing disc-shaped craft, this object appeared out of nowhere, defying all known laws of physics. It wasn't a drone, nor a weather balloon, nor any other known aircraft. It moved with incredible speed and agility, something far beyond our current technology, leaving a trail of questions in its wake. Witnesses on the ground watched in disbelief as the UFO darted through the sky, narrowly missing the Boeing 737, a sight that would be etched in their memories forever. The incident quickly gained attention, with experts and enthusiasts alike scrambling for answers, each with their own theories and speculations. Could this be proof of extraterrestrial activity? Could we finally have evidence that we are not alone in the universe? The evidence is compelling, yet the authorities remain tight-lipped, adding to the mystery and intrigue. Reports have been filed, but the truth remains obscured, hidden behind layers of secrecy and bureaucracy. Let's take a moment to consider the implications of such an encounter. If this was indeed an extraterrestrial craft, what were its intentions? Why did it come so close to a commercial airliner, putting lives at risk? Was it a message, a warning, or perhaps just an accident? The questions are endless, and the answers remain elusive. Was it trying to communicate with us, or was it simply observing? The possibilities are as vast as the universe itself. The skies over Manchester have seen their fair share of unusual activity, but this encounter stands out as one of the most perplexing and intriguing. The pilots, still shaken, have stuck to their story, their accounts unwavering despite the skepticism they faced. The object they saw was real, and it was unlike anything they've encountered before, a sight that would challenge their understanding of the world. As the debate rages on, one thing is certain: we are not alone in the universe, and this incident adds to the growing body of evidence that suggests we are being watched. Visited by beings from beyond our world, each encounter adding to the mystery. So next time you look up at the night sky, remember this encounter and consider the possibility that we are not alone. The truth is out there, waiting to be uncovered, and it is up to us to keep searching, to keep questioning. Keep your eyes open, for you never know what you might see, and stay vigilant, for the answers may be closer than we think. Until next time, stay curious and keep looking up. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and share.